Today we are going to be showing you how to troubleshoot fault code 97:12, water in fuel level prefilter on your JLG machine. This applies to Deutz Tier 4F engines used in boom lifts. The prefilter has a water sensor located on the bottom of the assembly. If water is present in the fuel, the normally open circuit closes, sending a signal to the engine ECM. The engine ECM in turn sends a DDC notification to the JLG control system and notifies the operator there is an active fault. Troubleshooting steps. 1. Using the handheld analyzer plugged in at either the platform or ground station, verify the 97:12 water in fuel level prefilter, maximum value exceeded is active. Locate the prefilter, the location varies per model. In most cases it is in the fuel tank area close to the fuel pump. On the bottom of the filter assembly is a manual open/close valve to drain the water out of the filter. 2. With the machine shut off and tagged out, use a suitable container under the filter assembly and open the valve to drain. After taking the bottom portion of the fluid out, close the valve back off and dispose of the fluid accordingly. Power the unit back up and check to see if the 97:12 is still active. If it is not active, the issue is resolved. If no other codes are active, return the unit to service. If the code is still active, locate the X941/X942 plugs located near the hydraulic pumps on the engine side. In the case of ultra booms, these will be X942/X942A harness plugs. 3. Completely disassemble the plugs by removing the locking tabs and ejecting the wires. Dry any moisture from the plug and remove the dielectric grease. Reinsert the wires and apply on a small amount of dielectric grease, excess causes the pins not to seat. Recycle the power and check again for the 97:12 being active. If not active, the issue is resolved. 4. If the code is still active, using a multimeter, make sure the harness from the plugs that were just cleaned back to the prefilter are okay with no shorts and has continuity. If the harness is okay, replace the prefilter assembly. Thanks for watching. You can find all the parts and equipment used in this video over on our website GCIron.com.